Go on, drop it to third and accelerate. Ah, my clutch. Oh, you. This is why I'm in the front. Ah, the camera. Swear to God, I actually hate these lights. 4-way. Way, finally. So I'm just currently on my way to Lewis's house because he has a free house and he's playing an elite game that you will see later on. Also, I have to go across the bridge during Storm Franklin. So if you live in the Hertfordshire area and you see a Vauxhall Corsa flying across a field, it was probably me.
That's Lego Star Wars, then there's Lego Star Wars 2, which was
madness.
And then there was...
Hello. Oh yes, I'll drink this. Yes, thank you so much. Come in clutch there. Do you have any wine glasses I could borrow?
No.
Why the fuck do you have a camera?
And EasyJet have made a bleach.
EasyJet made a bleach.
What's that, booking for $10.99? I don't know.
Put your phone down, you bitch.
Oh, Nathan, did you just show up at Lewis's house?
Yeah. I live here now. It's my second home. Hopefully he's gonna get his cat because I'm gonna steal that too.
It's up here, mate.
Alright, cool.
He's after dinner. Donuts sound like a bit of a vibe, you know.
It's true. I found a cat. Whoa, scared it. Alright, spicy. And they do need to make a spicy version.
Especially a spice bird. Oh.
Yeah, spicy.
Spicy virgin?
Yeah. Spicy virgin, you're alright?
No.
Lewis is on a mad one.
I would like you to blur my face out and make it sound like
I'm gonna blur it now, please.
Ah, cheers.
Oh, you're rich, bro. Jesus. Ah, I just punched you in the face. I apologise.
Yeah, we'll finish the whole episode, then I'll drop you home if you want.
So I'm about to show how much respect I've got for you.
Oh, light. What? Man's just farted. How do you feel about that? No. Just to exclaim how you've got a Domino's.
Yeah.
I'm quite jealous. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm really fat fuck.
Well, no, that's rude. Can't be saying that. It's fat shaming.
Fat shaming myself.
Yeah, you're not allowed to fat shame yourself nowadays.
Oh shit,
know
fat
that?
lives matter.
Anybody got 32 grand they can
I will see you later.
So long, child.
Goodbye.
So long. Farewell.
I can't get forward.
There you go, sir. Sauce, mate. Ah, why'd you flash? So I'm getting in here,
You
yeah?
want to help me throw some of this shit in the bin?
Huh?
Help me throw some of this shit in the
Oh, I thought I was getting in, sorry. Currently going to get the ginger, you know what I'm saying? Because he decided to go gym like a healthy person. Like, who would do that, am I right?
bin. I just got bored, didn't go.
I just got fat. I say, fucking move!
Thank you.
I'm gonna set that as my alarm clock for the morning. This, ladies and gentlemen, is why you don't forget to lock your house.
Oh, we're not going to start until you behave. Turn it off now.
Got him! Remember, when reversing onto a main road, take extra care.
For some reason, my clutch made a weird noise the other day, and now it's even smoother than it was before.
You just fucking shredded it all off, so it's, it's a smooth plate now. We were here like 30 seconds ago, you know.
Yeah, because we've got to go and pick people up that can't drive.
We are the Uber drivers.
Just answer the phone.
Sir, can I help you? We're in now.
We found a rat in a bin.
You found a rat in the bin?
Yeah, welcome to Welling. I'm at a party with Barbies and drillers.
Is it just me, or is his rear view mirror a screen?
It is as well.
Because it's so bright, isn't it? We can literally see it
But
from
then
here.
you was just doing
Yeah. Brum brum.
That's always fun to do.
Well, a rat is in a bin. We just honked the horn. Did you hear us?
Huh?
We just honked the horn. Did you hear
I
us?
see you. Let's honk it again. Bye.
Bye. Get in the fucking whip, mate. Fuck off, cunt. Oh, are you good, sir? Are you good?
Oh mate.
You alright? You alright, guys?
Scary stuff.
So, when you say there's a rat in the bin, like, who? Number 15. My guy gets into your car and just eats without even asking.
I don't care, it's fine. I told him he can eat.
The audacity.
I'm going to explain to Christian what the camera's about.
So,
we're filming a porno. This is a fake taxi video.
We basically
Yeah, bro, it's a fake taxi video. You want to join in?
In case there's funny moments.
Do you want to be the cuck that sits in the corner?
What's it?
You should know you're the third investor.
You guys literally made this without me knowing.
Yeah, because you didn't join in.
I was at work.
Exactly. Imagine that. Imagine working. Am I right?
Full time pussy. Stupid little cunt.
Don't get upset.
I'm so mad. Do you prefer brown bread or white bread?
I prefer King's Meal 50/50. He was staring right at us as I looked at him. He was staring right at us.
Is he on Uber driver?
You can go for a waffle. But enough waffle comes out your mouth. Can't park there, sir!
I want to go with you guys now. Do you actually?
That's just taking the piss.
Do you actually?
Look at Lewis's face.
I don't know where you're going.
In disgust.
I don't know.
We're gonna get some packs.
He's hungry.
And we're most likely going past. That's good actually, because I need to get a new battery.
Oh hell no.
Oh hell! Do you just not go anywhere more southern than?
When you're in isolation, you're forced to be inside. Whereas I enjoy being inside out of my own choice.
Isn't it typical that you get COVID a week before Boris says it's okay to go out when you have COVID?
Yeah.
That's just
otherwise Leicester would have been on.
Oh, you just giving us all COVID in the during it. I would have taken that L, to be fair. No, I don't mind because I managed to finesse the hotels for free. So see, look, just plough right into the back of that Corsa.
Shotgun Nathan's car. Reverse that.
When you don't have reversing beep sensors.
Beep! Beep! Fashion icon, isn't it? Fashion icon.
Oi. Yo, yes, haha. Oh, yes, none of it's in focus, but we'll ignore that.
So whose car? Lewis, not yours.
Huh?
I've not driven in like a month. Can I drive?
Yeah, right. Oh, no, my keys. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Is Lewis actually driving?
I guess.
You're getting in the back of your own car, mate.
Fuck off. Did you leave the butt plug on the seat?
No, it's just they're very uncomfortable.
You put it forwards a foot.
Well, he's like a foot shorter than you. You're like what?
6 foot.
3'1", and he's like 2 foot.
That's valid, that's valid.
Come on, man, in the back of your own car.
I'm not getting in the back of my own car. It's in gear. Oh, okay, good, he took it out.
I'm not being in the back with Lewis driving.
So I've been demoted to the back seat in my own fucking car by these two dickheads.
Feels bad,
What? Feels bad, feels bad. What is this? Oh, look.
There's more distance between the dashboard than there is between my cock and the floor.
But your cock's 1 inch. You see why I hate this car and I'm going to replace it soon.
Why would you do that?
Go.
Why do you guys do this?
What is that? Is that your wallet?
Yeah.
Ow.
It's not a wallet.
Ah! Fuck, it's up my arse.
Oh. I've got it.
He got it, he did it. There we go.
Lewis, please stop speeding. We might get a parking ticket.
Alright, let's just keep him out. There we go, you can drive now.
Hazards. You can't park there, sir.
Can I help you, sir?
No.
All I've heard so far is complaints. Yeah, his car's up just there. Yeah, what's this about?
What if I just do...
Just straddle the sensor console. Yeah. That means the gear stick would be up your ass.
No, it'll be in between my legs. So when we crash, it will just boom. Right,
oh, so you just lose your penis?
Yeah, I'd become infertile.
Do you want to turn the fucking lights on first, mate?
That might be help. Stupid little
Where the fuck's the lights in this thing?
It's the same thing as your car. Stop complaining.
The thing is, you can't stall your car. And why can't you stall your car?
It's a diesel. I stalled his car once in the 2-hour drive, so.
Fucking hell.
Also, I put 97 octane in this morning, so.
I'm not used to a petrol anymore.
You utilise that beauty, yeah?
My name is Cecil. I'll sell you gas or diesel cars.
Your boy's just raving in the back of his own car, you know what I'm saying?
I'm not comfortable.
Getting chauffeured around.
How fucking high did your seat go?
Bro, it goes to the ceiling, probably. How high do you need it is a better question.
That was high.
Okay. Oh, I can't read. Oh, my mother's asking me where I am.
Just send the video.
In the back of my fucking car.
In the back of your own car.
In the back. Well, I don't get what you mean by trust. Like, what's gonna happen?
Good crash, man.
And then I get a new car, because insurance is a thing.
No, you need to be in the back of Lewis's car when Lewis drives like Lewis. I'll be in the back of his.
Yeah, because man's a sick driver, know what I'm saying? Man's a smooth driver. Basically, for context, I'm a very smooth driver, whereas this creature here is more of a fast one. Speedy boy.
The only thing that I can see the complaints about is the power. That's it. Apart from that, it's a decent car. I hate Corsas, but they're okay to drive.
Yeah, well maybe Corsas hate you.
at
And
this
also,
unit.
for some reason,
He
then-
put it in neutral to slow down.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's very demanding, you know. It keeps giving me an up arrow and saying shift. Fuck you.
Alright, anyway.
Do as you're told.
I'm not ragging it, mate. This is your call.
Oh, what a knob.
Now remember, guys, don't look. Face the wall.
Yeah, but the thing is, we all turned around, but I was always the first one to get changed.
So talking about seeing each other's penises, I'm kind of glad I'm in the back right now.
Did you not have that?
Huh?
Did you not have that in like?
Oh, well, like swimming in year 3?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And you had to change in the same changing room.
Oh, yeah, sometimes they make you change in like a communal changing room for like all of you.
Nah, not about that.
I see the side, yeah.
Oh, it's the side.
Oh, the side is talking to
I
me.
was talking to someone at my work, and he was like, he always used to get high, wait outside Enfield, like outside Krispy Kreme until the light.
Outside the county.
No, he used to just wait outside here until the light came on and just walk straight.
I got a parking ticket in here once, by the way, so yeah, we'll put duct tape on the number plate.
They're Harley ride? No, they're just wow.
Also, you didn't even put it in gear, the fucking wet wipe. Please, darling. Thank you, thank you. Just gonna. There we go. So, kick that.
Treat your car more respect, it will treat you more respect.
Yo. I mean, probably my dream job, to be honest.
Because so guys, welcome to my mukbang. Today we're going to be eating Lewis donuts.
Again,
They're talking about women.
what are
I don't know yet.
they? Lewis be messaging his bitches. Sir, you've got cum on your arm, sir. Does he hear it before leaving? Where is the bin? Oh, there's a McDonald's bin. Should I go dash it in a McDonald's bin? What? Why did you shut the door, sir?
Alright mate, you're in the back then.
Get in the fucking back. Get in the fucking back, sir.
Get out.
Get in the back of the car now.
Get in.
Get in the back.
Right, rock, paper, scissors.
Don't you
Rock,
dare.
paper, scissors.
Get out the
Rock,
back.
paper, scissors.
Get it.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Get
If
the
I
back.
win, if I win,
Get the back.
one game, rock, paper, scissors. If I win, I'm in the front. If you win, you're in the front.
No. Okay, if I win, I'm in the front. If I lose,
Yeah, mate,
you're in the back.
literally sat here going like, if I do,
yeah. Get in the back of the car now. Get in the back of
real
the
man
car
rock,
now.
paper, scissors.
Get in the back
real man
of.
rock,
I'm a
paper,
toaster.
scissors.
Did you break my seat or not?
You know what?
Did you just fart in my car?
Yes.
He just farted in my car.
You can go in front. Shit.
It's yours, but it's mine now.
Oh, you. This is why I'm in the front.
Ah, the camera.
You don't need to plug in a plug.
Do you want to shut the fuck up?
Oh, what are you doing?
He looks like a bus driver, doesn't he?
He's on the zebra crossing.
That's it, thanks. Thank you.
Love you.
I'm driving your Corsa.
Put the clutch down.
I thought that was like the premise of the whole video, wasn't it? Like you're driving.
There we go. What if we actually go? I meant to scare the people behind.
Sorry lads, my friend doesn't know.
Sorry
how
mate,
to
wrong
drive.
gear, no, I'm saying that.
Oh, let me just do one of these. What are you doing? Just drive.
Stop burning my clutch out, sir.
No, I've just noticed in this whole video, my face is just be bright purple.
Hold on, I've got the perfect
wait,
colour.
Wait, I'm bright purple.
Oh look, it matches your hair.
Yeah, look, no. When they put the brake lights on, it just shows off bright red.
What, you paying on your card?
Huh?
Paying on your
Your
card?
boyfriend got to pay everything for you, Lewis.
Is it gonna work? That's the question.
Oh no.
Oh, your card's been declined.
Oh no, it's not working.
Good bother.
Where's my wallet?
Sorry, mate.
Drive-through gone wrong.
Thank you so much.
Can we have 2 more straws? Excuse me. Well, okay. You know what? Just go. I've been aired. Just go. Yeah, just go forwards. Just go
You actually
forwards.
got aired in real life.
That's actually sad.
You've also got ice put in that as well.
What? Go back around now. You know what? Fuck it. Reverse down the drive-through. Oh no! Stop! I need to put this in the bin. Actually, don't do it. There are people there. They're going to watch me. It's going to be embarrassing. Go down there. Can you not go down there?
Nah, go down the wrong way.
What? I've already had 1 ticket in this car park. Let's not get another one.
How did you get a ticket?
But I'm parking here too long.
Bad drive.
How long were you here for?
Like 2 hours. The bin.
Your turning circle, man, is a problem.
Yeah. Oh, that's not gonna work, is it?
That's bad.
No, but my car would have made that.
No, wrong.
It's just not gonna happen, is it? I don't know.
Send it. Throw it.
Woo!
Well done.
Oh, dicks.
No, she's just.
Oh, Lewis!
She's gone the wrong way.
You've got the wrong way, mate! Look! Oh, no! Can't park there, sir.
Oh!
Oh, hello.
What are you doing, mate?
Man's crashing into a bush by the looks of it.
Time that.
He stole it! Finally! First impressions matter. That's what we've learned today.
Yeah, especially in driving.
You sure about that? 'Cause you pick up my driving, but I was a shit driver for like the first month.
Yeah, but that was funny.
I was bouncing off curbs.
No, when you first picked me up, we went.
You remember the car park?
We were driving to that one.
That was
scared
hilarious.
The shit out of me. But when we was at the roundabout, and you just stalled like 4 times in a row, and I was like, this is fucking hilarious.
It's mad how long ago I passed now.
I choked on water. Yeah,
no need to flex. You didn't have COVID. Fucking hell.
Driving for over 2 years, am I right?
Is it coming out hot now? I'm driving.
Because the car's full of studs.
I can't believe I've been awake since 2:30.
Why are you pulling forward at a red light? You flipping donut.
Because it's not going quick enough.
That's safe.
Board.
What the fuck have I just heard?
I think it's on the floor
What have I just heard? Blow a kiss at him.
Oi, sweetie. Please, just rag it a bit on the straight here.
Alright.
God, I don't ask for much. Thank you.
I do miss the sound of a petrol sometimes. Are you happy? I ragged it on the straight.
He only likes lemon and herb at Nando's.
That is poor from you. That is very poor from you.
I can go for medium if I want to. I chose lemon and herb once.
Nah, you literally got lemon and herb in front of the boys.
Yeah.
Like,
Alpha move.
there will
Alpha. If you are what you eat, then if I eat something hot, will actually be attractive.
I mean, you're just eating medium and you're attractive already, so.
Oi, oi.
Hey, I'm sweet with it, you know.
I still remember when I was driving my friend's car, and it had 6 gears, and reverse was where 6th was. So when I was turning around, I was very confused as to why I was going forwards.
How did you manage to pull away in 6th?
Because I just know how to drive a car. Go on, drop it to 3rd and accelerate. Ah!
Fuck me, no.
Don't! My clutch!
You told me to dump it.
I didn't tell you to dump it, I told you to drop it. Rev match my child.
My proudest moment, Nathan, is bomb starting your car.
Yeah, that was sick.
That is still my most proud moment.
Come on, show me what you got. See, it does go. It's got a bit.
It is, once you learn how to finesse the gearbox nicely and the power band, it does go. I've just realised I have to get out.
Yeah, I know. It's annoying, isn't it?
Imagine buying a 3-door, am I right, guys? We've said so long to the ginger.
Team Alvin.